Oh, we're back. And what I'm going to be doing now is, because these are now finished, as we just said last time, so they're all okay, ready to put on. They'll be put on towards the end because I don't want to knock off any of the PA stuff. So what we're up to now, we'll be doing, if I kind of come down a bit closer. Here we go. Not too close. There you go, that's close enough I think. Went a bit too quick there. Anyway, this is the area I'm going to be working on now, just here. And put build these 4 racks up and do that one as well. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to find one on a PE. Now, thankfully, I had an epiphany, and basically what we're going to be doing now is cutting them out. And I think they're all on this one, all the ones I've got to be doing. So I'm going to be taking this out of the picture for the moment, bringing this in, and I'm going to use the white bit for whenever I'm cutting. So there you go. So I'm going to put this light on. That gives a bit more light over here. I've got the one above. I might do that, see if it does anything more. Oops. I think that's enough. It doesn't need it too bright. That's a good thing. I've got a variable on that, so that's good. And takes away some of the light off this bit. I might have to get something, another one of these. But I think this is quite nice. There we go. We go that way. So what we've got to do now is we've got to find parts 88. 4 pieces and 97 1 piece. That's it. And as they would say, peace in the world. And I wish there was, to be honest. Right, here we go. So obviously, so I can make sure I don't cut off in the wrong area. So what we got to do is that we said 88, didn't we? Yep, 88. And 88 is these pieces here. You can see 88 there. I think when I go on the big screen you can see 88 here, so we've got these 4 pieces here. And here we go. Quite a few folds on these. So I'm going to do that one first. Do this one I should. Here, I'll put it over here so I think you can see it better. In fact, I can come down a bit further actually, because I'm working on flat on the floor, as it were. There you go. So, not macro lens, but it ain't a bad lens for coming in. I found the higher the camera up is, the better it zooms, so not bad. That one there, that one there, and come down to there and do that one. Not quite off, but nearly there. That's one. Still in shot, but there we go. We're going to go to number 2 now. Oops. At least it's bending on the bends, as it were. And that one there. There's another one. You can see all the bend marks I've got to do, so that's not too bad. I'm going to do this one because it's the nearest one. It's better to do. Sorry if I do that. And then come across. You can see the blade. Done. That's number 3. I mean, I should say. I can't even count now. Do that one. I think we've done that. That's it. We've done that. So we're going to come in this way. Come in at an angle. And to an angle. It looks like coming in from an angle you actually get a better cut because it actually goes up close, so there's no filing to be done, and I can't see any filings needed on any of those. Good. Right, now we've got to be the other one, and the other one is 97. So 97, we've got to find that one. So this way up. 97. So there's 2 of these, and what does it say about 2? 2. Just says 1, 97, so they must have to another one go somewhere else later on, because we have got 2 of them. So I'll do one. So over to here, whoops, over to here, 97. Come in at an angle again. Coming on these sides now. And then cutting the bottom one off. Hopefully it won't fly. No, it didn't. There we go. That's one. I'm not going to cut the other one off because it only says 1. It doesn't say do. Normally where it says make 2 or something, it does it. Oh, 97 goes. Oh no, I will do it, because if you look, oops, sorry. If you look, where is it? There it is. 97 goes here on the side, and then we got another 97 over the other side as well. So we do need two 97s, so we might as well have them both done at the same time. Here we come, back into here. Coming at the angle, like I said, it seems to cut nice and clean. Oh, right, we're going to do this one now, because there's a little peg there. Get rid of that. That's it, and come off of this one. And same with this one. That's done. So now they're all done. So I'll put that back over there with PE. Also, just to mention, this bit was going to get damaged, so I've took it off so it's flat, and obviously I'm going to cut off all the mesh into it using drills and that, so I can keep the plastic frame underneath, and to keep some of the detail, which like that centerpiece, so that'd be okay. So that's the idea. So I'll be doing that. So I'll keep that. So anyway, so I'll leave that like that, because that's what we'll be doing later at some point. But now we've got to do this. Now we've got to do. Where's my other one? Yep. Now this is the bend I used that wasn't damaged, because this is the one I've got that's bent at the end, as you can see. I've used it for the wrong things, but I didn't throw it away because it's still quite an handy little tool, as you've seen. So we're going to get this one. Now we've got to do some folding with these, and they're going to be all the same. So what I'm going to do is start here. I'm going to zoom out a bit because you're not going to see it quite so nice otherwise. So I can keep my hands in focus. There you go. And now we can start that one. That one. That one. And that one. So now we've got nearly there. Got to go careful because they're very fine. Bring that up level. That one up level. Bring that one down level. That one down there. As you can see, it comes down quite nicely. Right, that's that bit. Now I've got to start doing this. It's got to be bent. Let's check. I don't want to bend it and get it wrong. Right. Yes, it does do this. This one goes this way, and then that one go. Have I bent it the wrong way? No, I haven't. Ah, yeah, right, here we go. That's where you got to do. You really got to be careful when you're doing all this. And that's like that. That's got to come down, so it's like this. Getting there slowly. Whoops, I'll do it on this bit, you can see it better. Getting there slowly. I've got 2 more bends to do. I've got to bend, make sure. Yep. This bend comes slightly this way, and then that one goes this way. So if I do this, And now that's done. There you go. That's one done. So we've got to do the same. So there's one done there. I'm going to do all the others now. And I'll do them off camera. You've seen one, so I'm going to come back when they're done. Right, we're back again now, and as you can see, I've done all four. I'm going to be doing a bit of super glue on these because these won't be touched once they're inside the vehicles, which is good. So these will be inside, 4 on one side on this. Is it this side? Yeah, it is this side. On this side, you see, I'll put the chair there now. Fitted up really nice. I put a bit of plastic underneath to give it a bit more support at the back, but also then the driver's legs would come over the top of this like it is in the real vehicle, and I'll just put some pedals in here and bits and pieces. So I'll be doing that later on. So that's that bit done out of the way. So these have been done. Now I've got to do this. Now what I'm going to have to do now is bring my roller in now. So I'm going to see that you're going to see this come out of the way, and this is my roller. I've had it a long time. I got this from Hystrix at Dover years ago. So this is a nice roller. I've worked it out. I think it's this one's going to be working. So I'm going to put this in here and hopefully put it across the bridge. There to go. If I can get it lined up. There's a lot of dust on there, isn't there? I'm just going to hold that there a bit and get a bit. That's it. Right. Put that like that. So it's sort of just on there evenly right at the depth. Oh, almost I come in a bit closer. Oh dear, silly me. A bit much better. Put that into the middle, and it should come in good. Right, now I know how far I can go now, don't I? There you go, so I know how far I can go. It's not bad though, considering. So here is the rod that goes in it. So what I'm going to do now is place it over the top and go down slowly, like so. And then what I'll do is push it around a bit more. Let's have a look, see what we got. Go to this way. Yep, it's nearly there. It's nearly there. So I'm going to push it again and turn it round a bit. Push it down that side. And there you go, we've got it. Now, I'm going to push it off onto this. There you go, so move that out of the way. That goes back into my little drawer in a minute. Put this back into the centre. And now you can see we've got a little fold which comes round. And it should look... where is it? If I put my finger on it, there it is. Should look like that with a little bend at the bottom. Obviously put a rack on it, and there must be straps that come around as well. So that's what it is, but there's no straps in the kit, so I'm wondering whether I will put something around there. Might be a good idea. Yeah, it could be a little bit of an idea. But a bit of tape, little Tamiya tape or something like that. It looks like a clip on. Well, anyway, so what we're going to do now is get my trusty bender out and try not to do too much. How many bends is there? Just the one. Got to get it on there. And there it is. Oops. Got to go back and get that. Now I've got to flatten that bit there back to get it back to what it should be. And that's done. Now I've done the other one earlier, but not with a bend at the bottom, so I'm going to do that on camera again. So there we go. There you go. So that's got to be bent again in the same place. So this time I'm going to do something different. And that's 2. So now we've got them all bent that was in the instructions just there, and now we've got to glue them in place. So I'm going to come back in a minute when I'm ready for that, or in the next video, who knows.